Mature bowl set keeps leftovers looking fresh and tasting delicious. Ideal for weekly meal prepping, including healthy office snacks. Includes 8, 3.45-inch diameter glass bowls, 2.25-inch height, with plastic lids. Lead-free. Durable and dishwasher safe for quick, easy cleanup. To help preserve your products, please refer to the Libbey website for care and handling instructions. Securely packaged in shipping box. Always wash prior to use as orders fulfilled by Libbey are shipped directly from manufacturer's warehouse. Adulting is hard, especially when it comes to eating healthy. But if you're going to food prep your way into being a mature salad-eating adult, you might as well look like one. So pack up these glass bowls for easy on-the-go work lunches. And try not to eat them before 10 a.m. Celebrate this with glassware from Libbey. If you've ever sipped from a glass, odds are you've already met Libbey. We rank as the top glassware manufacturer in the Americas and one of the largest tableware suppliers in the world. As the runaway leader, we are setting new standards for stability, strength, and growth opportunity. We believe every occasion, big and small, is an opportunity to celebrate life. Top reviews from the United States. Bought our first set 11 years ago. We originally bought a set of 3 in 2011 as small containers to use for homemade baby food, so that we could still utilize it once our children grew up. These prep containers are the perfect size for saving little bits and pieces of dinner, the lone meatball, the crumbled feta cheese that didn't get used, the single scoop of corn, as well as great prep bowls for cooking and baking recipes. These little kids are so incredibly sturdy, the 11-year-old lids are still in fine working condition. I was so glad to see a larger set of these for sale for a fair price.